Your big pants there. People may want pants. You don't want to see people.
Oh my God, that's a good answer. That's a good answer.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Blessings, my people. Welcome back to the channel. Manners and prayers. We thank the Lord.
Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Now, today we're just going to keep it light-hearted. Have a bit of fun. I think after the last vlog, or the last video we did, yeah, I think we need to just calm down a little bit, right? Yeah, it's Jamaica Safe was our last video.
Yeah.
So I think we're just going to have a little bit of fun. Every now and again, you know, we like to do a little challenge, you know. And because remember, you know, the last two ones that we've done, I've won. So...
What?
The last two ones we've done.
But what we did?
Who's most likely to, and how well do you know Jamaica? I kind of won both of those. Didn't
You kind of won.
Okay, I won one. I won the first. You won the second. So guys, we're gonna do a little challenge today. It's called 1, 2, 3 tag, right?
Robert, put it up. Right in the eyes. Cool.
Babe, just please. So we're gonna ask each other 10 questions. So Outlaw's gonna ask me 10 questions. I'm gonna ask Outlaw 10 questions, and we're gonna answer, but we're both gonna answer at the same time. So after Outlaw asks me a question, I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, and we both answer and see if our answers are the same. Okay? So they're mixed questions. So Outlaw's gonna start. What's the first question?
So the first question, who does most of the housework?
Okay, who does most of the housework? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Me.
Deezer. What? Come on, don't be silly. No. But you must tell the truth. Who does most of the housework?
Me. So I must tell the truth. I'm not telling the truth, people. She have her things to do on the network, and I give her all that time to do what we have to do, whatever. So I don't wait for do what we have to do in the house.
Okay.
That's my thing.
Alright.
Good.
People, let me just clarify this, okay? I take my hats off to you because he does his share, okay? Because, you know, like we live together, we work together and everything. He does his share, okay? And I don't have to tell him to do anything. He does it. However, who does more? The question, who does most? I do most. I'm not saying he doesn't do, but I do most of the housework.
I'm not going to understand.
That was the question. You got to answer the question properly.
Most of the housework?
Most. I'm not saying you don't do any. So let's do that again. 1, 2, 3. Deezer. We've got to answer together. Alright, go on. Go to question 2. Go to question. Go to the next one.
Be nice, you know. Lie. We understand that. What a whole of African world. And so we never worry them things behind each other.
Okay, next one.
Next question now is, what is most repeated? What's my most repeated sentence or phrase?
Yeah, what do you say the most? Ready? What's the thing you always say? What's your most repeated phrase, sentence, would you say? Ready? You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. You got to say it at the same time as me. People don't understand. When I say 1, 2, 3, when I get to 3, you've got to say it. I've got to say it. Okay?
Yeah, but
ready? Ready.
Yeah.
That's the whole point. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Me.
Manners and... I'm not people. I can't make this up. Babes, what's something you always say? What's something you say all the time?
Manners and prayers.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Manners and prayers. You've got to say it too.
You know anything there? Round the way I go for you.
That's the whole point of the challenge.
Alright, my people.
Oh my gosh, this guy.
Yeah, you
people,
couldn't.
this
Be
guy.
nice, man.
This guy.
You understand your thing, man. You go.
So why are you disrupting
Be
it?
nice, man. Know yourself. Let's go. Get go ahead. Come on for the one there.
Yeah, go
So that's what you want. The second one and the third one.
Do this one.
Alright. Who chooses what to eat for dinner?
1, 2, 3. Deezer.
These are.
Okay, so we agree on that one. Yes.
Deezer.
I choose.
Yes.
Okay, next one.
What is my shoe size?
1, 2, 3. Size 10.
Yeah, 5.
Babe, you've got to say it. All seriously, you have to say it with me because you're defeating the whole object. When I say 1, 2, 3, you've got to say the answer.
Yeah, you say you want to miss a man one, no?
No, we've got to say it at the same time.
So this all this question belongs to me or you? Right, what
It's about you. You've got to give your answer. I give my answer what I think about you, but we have to say it at the same time.
Oh.
Okay?
I understand.
Right.
Nice.
Oh my gosh. Guys, I've literally just had to explain the game again.
But she's never explained it before, people. So, me I tell her now. All these things we put up with.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see if we can get the next one right. Okay.
Yeah. Who's the better cook?
1, 2, 3. Deezer.
Yeah, she good like that.
Okay.
Yeah, she good like that.
We agree on that one.
Yeah, true.
Alright.
Yeah.
The next one.
Who is the loudest?
1, 2, 3. Outlaw.
You know the thing go? Around the way I swing go.
Do you really? So you say it, you?
It's right.
You've got to say outlaw then.
Yeah.
You've got to say that.
I might think that you know.
No, but you have to say it, babe.
She's worried for the people. Okay, outlaw.
Alright. When I say 1, 2, 3, say it straight away.
Okay,
please.
no problem.
I'm just saying this.
Okay, Mrs. Bouquet.
Okay, oh Lord, okay.
Gosh.
Next one.
Who makes the bed?
1, 2, 3. Deezer. Yes.
Yeah.
Every morning.
Yeah. I make it one a few times, but they can't count by the two and them. Maybe. I understand that too.
Yeah, maybe when I'm not here.
Jeez.
Yes. Read the question, please.
Who spends more time on social media?
Who spends more time on social media? This might surprise some of you. 1, 2, 3.
Deezer. Oh.
Such a liar.
Jesus have mercy.
You're so lame. People. Who spends more time on social media? Talk the truth. Talk the truth.
So many on social media.
Alright, guys. For all of the people, I don't even know if this happened on Android, but you know on your iPhone, each week it gives you a report, right? How many hours you spend on, different social media and stuff like that on your phone. He spends double the time. Mine says I spend about 4 hours a week, yeah? Bearing in mind, all of that is not social media. Some of that is work as well. I'm checking emails, I'm answering emails. A lot of the time I just do it from my phone, okay? He will sit down from morning till evening on social media, yeah? Guys, true story. In the beginning, when I was first with him, all he had was WhatsApp. He was like, I don't want a social media, I don't want a Facebook, I don't want an Instagram, okay? August or September, he then says to me, he got a new phone. He wants me to put Instagram on his phone. People, worst thing I think I did, because now, this man, you live on Instagram and YouTube. So you must talk the truth. You're on social media more than me. Facts, people, facts.
People, that's social media, something.
You're on it more than me,
what
though.
The
The question was, who spends more time on social media?
You better stay right someone and
Who spends more time on social media?
And social media. These are good away then. But more time.
He spends more. Just answer the question. You're going around and round in circles.
I watch the people. With a man now with us. But I'm not more for us when I step on that people.
Yes, exactly. Yes. So who spends more time on social media?
So the two of us, people. The two of us. People, the two of us depend on social media. Because I was to say, she's taking care of her thing. She do her thing differently and whatever, blah, blah. But I have not more to do. So I just step on the two. That's what I want.
Okay, next question.
So she never want to give me Instagram because she don't want me to go out in the world and so I go out in the world. Just here in a bush mouth, you know. Yeah, I'm for company street. You must not come a street. You stay on the yard, you know.
Oh gosh. Alright, next one. Next one. Go on, next one.
Yeah.
Gosh, I can't with you.
Swing with the times.
Ask the next question.
What's my first job?
What was your first job? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Selling shoes in the market.
Oh,
You've got to say it too.
Yeah.
Am I right?
You would.
Okay. Good.
Yeah. First job.
I think I don't need to do 1, 2, 3 because you're not even listening. You're not even.
It's nicer that way, man. Put out foolishness.
Okay, well, I must do 1, 2, 3.
Whatever you want, but it's still nicer that way. Yeah,
He
first
just
job in
makes
the
his
market.
own rules. Okay, the last question.
Here we have.
Do the last one. Then I'm going to answer questions.
Who is more dramatic?
Who is more People, who is more... I think the people didn't even answer this. Who is more dramatic? 1, 2, 3. Outlaw!
People should there too long. Me say if you want there.
Boy.
You want there around the people. She may think she there too long.
You're more dramatic than me.
People say kill you with it.
He's more dramatic than me.
More than to dash the top of me, I put us silent.
Dramatic.
You can't say nothing. Nothing me can say when she throw it at me at times. But just,
you're more dramatic. Anyway, give me the book. Give me the paper. Guys, oh Lord. Alright, my time to ask the questions.
So weird. Seriously?
Yes, you did 10 questions. It's my turn.
So when I see your question, I'm not that. Jesus, that people must matter about what I have to do. That's what I'm facing.
Why do you need to see them? You just need to answer them. You don't need to see them.
Why am I telling you, brother?
Alright, okay.
So why am I must have so transparent than you on this?
Please, babes, come on. Alright. If I could choose one thing of yours to throw away, what would it be? One item. If I could choose one item of yours to throw away, what would it be? Ready? I know straight away what I'll throw away of yours.
Wait, what's it? Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Your hat. What was you going to say?
Where's that to it?
You've got one hat, it's got one tongue that I would throw away straight away. I'm going to go and get it. I'm going to get it. What was you going to...
Please. Baby, it's about everything I know.
What was your
This
answer?
This whole thing that's something.
What was your answer? What was you going to say? If I could throw one thing of yours away, what would it be? What did you think?
A big pants, eh? People may want pants. You don't want to see people.
Oh my god, that's a good answer. That's a good answer. That's a good answer.
I mean, love pants, no people.
That's a good answer.
Love pants, man.
He's got one jeans pants that look like it's from 1991. I'm telling you. He's got one hat, guys, yeah? One like Tom or one woolly hat that he's just cut the top off. People, he can't walk on the road with me. He can't walk on the street with me in that. That's like a house hat. Or you run to the corner, stop and come back. I'll throw that away straight away. Yes, but the pants is a good one. I'll throw that away too. I might have to hide them pants from you.
But yeah, I'm close for.
Because they're not look good. Anyway. Alright, so if the house was on fire, so this is a question for you actually, but if the house was on fire and everybody was out safely, what item would you go back to save? If the house was on fire, right? Everybody's out safely, but you had to go back to save one item, what would it be?
One item?
Yeah, you. What would you, not me, you know, what would you save? I know, I think I know what it is.
One item.
You had to come back in for one item. You ready? Are you ready? You ready? You can't think? Alright. No? Okay, but I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 and I'm going to tell you what I think. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Your hardware. Your hard drive.
You?
Hard drive.
What you ask, man?
Your hard drive. So he's got this hard drive with all of his songs that he's produced over the years.
Yeah, I'm going to find out quick.
Yeah, so what do you think of that?
I choose something, man. You have to put it on the side of my baby and say, oh, what? Yeah, make that burn up.
Okay, alright, so questions about me now. So, question 3. What is my worst habit? People that don't have any bad habits, so...
Worst habit?
Yeah, what's my bad habit? What would you say is my worst habit?
Habit.
I don't think I have any. I don't think I have any bad habits.
I don't have none.
Oh, so I'm just perfect then?
Can't talk like that. No, we don't mean like that.
Oh, what you can say on camera?
No, I'm not going to emphasize on that really.
Bad habit. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright. Who...
Yeah, she have a look at habit, but I'm still in one place, and if you move my foot, shift my foot 1 second, problem. That's something there. Yeah, that's a reason. That's our reason.
You know what?
Watch out. If she was slung, I'll do something on the laptop. I'm sit down over there, so she don't ask me for the stuff. Problem. That's something.
Oh gosh, anyway, I can't even.
It's that thing.
I can't justify it. I can't because it's true. So you got that one. Alright, what are you looking for?
No, looking at. You see people.
Anyway, come.
And she was looking at mine.
Ready? Ready? Alright. Who is the messiest? The messiest.
Messiest?
Yeah, who's the messiest person? Ready?
Messy, you know what?
Messy. Who is messy? Who is more messy? Me or you? Who's more messy at the two of us? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Outlaw.
Yeah, me tell us.
Okay, good. So I can't stand the mess. I like everything.
Yeah, the mess what you're talking about is like just dropping, put on one look on paper, right?
Yeah, I can't stand it.
Yeah. You sit down there, city, and one look up, there's a web and put on one look up, right? So chicken butt and see. Lord God have mercy, people.
I can't stand it. When you know the hand towel on the kitchen towel, we used to wipe his hand and just puts it on the sofa. I can't stand to see it there. Put it in the bin.
That's your calmness, the people.
But you're still more messy. Alright, so if possible, what would I eat every day? I don't think I've got anything I would eat
every day.
Yeah.
Alright,
I'm going to change it. If possible, what would you eat every day? I know.
Every day.
Yeah.
Fish and veg.
You got to do 1, 2, 3.
Oh, go on.
Ready? And it wouldn't be fish and veg.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Plantain. Fried plantain.
Oh, one thing I talk about?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's
Fried plantain.
Yeah, man. Good of you there.
You would eat it every day.
Yeah, man.
Every day.
When you mash me up in a fried plantain.
Yes.
So that's when I fry my own plantain. But no mashing up in it.
Okay, ready for the next one? Okay, so you go to the store to buy some bread, right? Go to a little corner shop to buy bread, and you decide to buy me a treat. You decide to bring back something for me as a treat. What would you bring back? What would you buy? Ready? Wait for the 1, 2, 3. You got it in your head? Okay. This is what I think. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Chocolate.
Or bounty.
Yeah, bounty. Yeah.
Well, the same chocolate.
Yeah, bounty or rum and raisin. Chocolate. Yes, chocolate. Okay, good.
Yeah, it's good of you there.
Alright, I'm gonna turn this one on you because I don't watch TV, guys. So, what do you like to watch most on TV?
TV?
Yes, ready? What do you like to watch most on the TV? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. The news.
Good.
CNN, MSNBC.
Yes.
That's him.
Good.
Okay, good.
My thing that.
Alright, so back to me. Where would I love to travel to?
Where you like?
Yeah, where would I love to travel to?
Would you love to travel?
Yeah, I've not been. Where would I love to travel to?
Africa.
Africa. I haven't done 1, 2, 3. But Africa, yes.
Okay.
Yeah. You got that right. Good.
Sometimes 1, 2, 3 not working. You know.
Alright, so ladder 1, 2. We've only got 2 more questions, so not just ladder 1, 2. Alright.
Yeah, people.
Anyway, alright. Who is more organized? I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. Who's more organized? 1, 2, 3. Deezer. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, people should put things together. Yeah, man. Right now, the other today.
Okay. The last one, guys. Okay. Oh yeah. What food do I dislike? Name one food that I don't like. One food I don't like. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Pear.
Avocado. Same thing. Yeah. Okay. Good.
So now I'm not for doing
Who won? Who won that?
Who?
I think I won. I feel like I won that. I think I got more. I know more about you than you do about me.
Yeah, woman always.
Why? It's not a woman thing. It's not a woman thing.
No, woman always stay like that.
I just know more than you.
Me nothing on board that.
Anyway, guys.
Nothing on board that. Me give you a props, man.
Good. So yes, as usual, he likes to let out some of my little secret them. But it's all good. So yeah, we hope you've enjoyed this light-hearted, fun kind of video today. And
I saw we live people. We're good, man.
Yeah, we do.
We're nice.
Yeah.
We share them type of life, live it to everybody, you know. Yeah, we're nice, man.
Are you done? Good. Alright guys, like I said, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. You please just watch 30 seconds of the ads. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video. That was it.
Manners and prayers. Long life and happy living.
This one has got to be now. Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.